Hello dear viewers, welcome to ERi-TV English News Broadcast. I'm Bersabet Taghla and these are the major headlines for today. Messages of congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea. Training on nutrition and food system in Ginda subzone. Beijing calls China and Australia important economic and trade partners. And dozens missing after Chinese fishing boat sinks in the Indian Ocean. On your local reports, President Abdel Fattah el-Sisi of the Republic of Egypt, Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha of Thailand, President Marcelo Rebelo de Sousa of Portugal, as well as King Salman bin Abdulaziz and Crown Prince Mohammed bin Salman of the Kingdom of Saudi Arabia sent messages of congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea in connection with the 32nd Independence Day anniversary. In their messages, the leaders wished good health to President Isaias Afwerki and peace and prosperity to the Eritrean people. The leaders also expressed their country's readiness to develop friendly relations and mutual cooperation with Eritrea. Training on nutrition and food system was organized to 100 farmers' representatives, including 65 females in Ginda subzone from 11 to 16 May. At the conclusion event of the training on 16 May, Mr. Tasfit Geresgiher, representative of Agriculture and Land in the Northern Red Sea region, said that the training was in continuation of the effort to ensure food security and that the Ministry of Agriculture, in cooperation with partners, is working to distribute sweet potato seed to farmers. Speaking at the occasion, Ms. Asmeret Abraha, governor of the Northern Red Sea region, said that the theoretical and practical training will have significant contribution in the development of the understanding and awareness of the farmers. The trainees, on their part, commending for the training opportunity provided, expressed readiness to transfer the knowledge they received to fellow farmers in their areas. On your last local report, Mr. Saleh Ahmeddin, chairman of the National Union of Eritrean Youth and Students, conducted a seminar to youth and youth workers in Karura subzone. At the seminar, Mr. Saleh called on the youth to adhere to the noble societal values and strengthen participation in the national affairs, as well as in the implementation of the objective and mission of the Union. Pointing out that a number of training programs have been organized for the youth in the subzone, Mr. Taghla Zara, head of political and Organizational Affairs of the Union Branch in the Northern Red Sea region, called on the youth to take advantage of the opportunities being provided. The administrator of the subzone, Mr. Idris Ali, on his part, expressed readiness of the subzonal administration to stand alongside the Union Branch in all its activities. At the occasion, 102 youths that were provided vocational training have been graduated, and special award has been provided to youth winners in the competitions organized in connection with the 32nd Independence Day anniversary. That was all with your local reports. We'll be back with your international news after the short break. Welcome back. Beijing called China and Australia important economic and trade partners after the Chinese ambassador to Canberra, Sean Qian, announced earlier that the ban on Australian timber imports would be lifted. The two countries are highly complementary, and economic and trade cooperation between the two sides is mutually beneficial and win-win, Chinese Foreign Ministry spokesperson Wang Wenbin told reporters on Thursday. The once $407 million annual timber trade with China had largely been suspended since late 2020 after Beijing said it had found pests in shipments coming from several Australian ports. Talks are underway about a visit by Australian Prime Minister Anthony Albanese to Beijing, as his centre-left Labour government pushes for an end to a series of Chinese unofficial bans and tariffs placed on Australian products including coal, timber and lobster in 2020 during a low point in diplomatic relations. On your final report, a Chinese fishing boat has sunk in the Indian Ocean with all 39 of its Chinese and international crew missing. This is according to state media. Broadcaster CCTV said the incident happened in the early hours of Tuesday morning. The crew includes 17 people from China, 17 from Indonesia, and 5 from the Philippines. President Xi Jinping ordered coordinated search, but so far no missing persons have been found. China has deployed 2 commercial vessels to help in the regional search and rescue operation. The Chinese reports do not identify the exact location of the sinking, revealing only that it took place in the center of the Indian Ocean that stretches from South Asia and the Arabian Peninsula to East Africa and Western Australia. The boat left Cape Town, South Africa on May 5 and was heading towards Busan, South Korea, according to the Marine Traffic Tracking website, which last located the vessel on May 10 to the southeast of Réunion, a tiny French island in the Indian Ocean. There was no explanation for the cause of the sinking, although weather and high seas often play a role in such tragedies. You're still watching ERi-TV, dear viewers, and now a recap of the major headlines. Messages of congratulations to the people and government of Eritrea. Training on nutrition and food system in Yinda subzone. Beijing calls China and Australia important economic and trade partners. And dozens missing after Chinese fishing boat sinks in the Indian Ocean. Dear viewers, that was it for today. Thanks for watching.